6 Nobel Prize winners, that they are really talking about research that is right now even taking off.
The first one is Professor Stephen Chu from Stanford University. He actually will talk about microscopy 2.0. Also, we have another speaker from Stanford University, Professor William Moeller. He won the Nobel Prize in chemistry last year. So his main contribution is in super resolution microscopy. Then we also have 2 other Nobel laureates, Dr. Eric Bezic and Dr. Stephen Hell. So they are also the Nobel laureate from the chemistry last year. So they are also going to talk about super resolution microscopy.
So Hiroshi Amano and Shuji Nakamura have gratefully agreed to present their excitement nitride. So throughout the 70s and 80s, people have been working diligently on getting this material to work to be not just N-type but also P-type, to get a PN diode to work as an LED. And most attempts obviously failed, but then it was when Amano and Akasaki achieved the P-type doping and the crystalline quality that then the diode became possible.
Tony Heinz is our plenary speaker, and he is a condensed matter physicist. Tony is going to tell us about the latest materials that have been found that allow to be isolated in a way of single atomic layers, and how they actually couple to the optical light field, what potential applications might be.
So one of the plenary speakers for CLEO this year is Professor Miles Padgett, and he works in the general area of orbital angular momentum of light, and essentially explores a fundamental question as to what happens to a light beam when it is in a higher order state. What are the effects when you propagate that kind of beam? What are the effects when you make that kind of a beam interact with the material? And after studying those kind of fundamental effects, the interest is in seeing what kind of devices one can build out of these. So that's a new area.